How to convert WAV files to MP3 fast and easy? Let me show you. Hello everyone, Dams here from Wondershare UniConverter. WAV is a high-quality, uncompressed audio file format used in professional audio recording. WAV files are much larger in size in comparison to MP3 files, so how do you convert a WAV file to MP3? You may use audio editors or online converters, but the easiest way is with a converter tool like the one in the Uniconverter 16. The Uniconverter 16 is a multimedia powerhouse with loads of features for video, audio, and image editing, including the most powerful converter out there. It's also the tool we're going to use in this video, so you may download it from videoconverter.wondershare.com. After installation and opening it up, the converter tool will be directly on the home interface of the Uniconverter. So click on it. In this next window, import all of the files you're converting to MP3. Now, to select the MP3 as the output format for all of the WAV files on your list, navigate down here and then choose MP3. I'd go with the highest quality preset to preserve as much of the quality as possible, but choose whichever one fits your needs. Before you begin the conversion process, you may click on the scissors icon here to trim your audio files and cut unnecessary parts out. Furthermore, if you click on this crop icon here, in this next window, you'll find some extra settings regarding audio quality. It's also a standout feature of the Uniconverter. At last, when you're done, choose the output folder and then click on Convert All. The Uniconverter will process your files faster than you know. So, that was the best and fastest way to convert WAV files to MP3. And if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in another video.